So, babies, are you ready to learn something new? Yes, ma'am is going to teach you something new. And this thing is related to our theme. And what is our theme? Our theme is myself. So today ma'am is going to tell you something about which is related to your body parts. My dear little children, today ma'am is going to tell you about different sounds. Yes, we hear sound. The things which we hear and listen around us are sounds. And different things, they have different sounds. So today you will hear and identify the sounds of different things. Let us see what are these sounds. So boys and girls, let us listen to the first sound. Let's see what sound is this. So this was the sound of footsteps. When you walk or when you run, you listen to this sound. The footsteps, they sound like this. Let us see what is the next sound. Let us now listen to the second sound. It is the sound of breaking of a glass. Let us listen how it sounds. Listen to the next sound now. This sound is honking of the car. Let us listen to a new sound now. This sound, you are familiar with this sound already. We use this thing in our daily life. Let us hear which sound is this. This is the sound of a mobile phone. This is how your mobile rings. Yes, let's see, there is another sound. This is the sound of a landline phone. This is how it rings. See, both the telephones have different sound. Let us explore another sound. What was that sound? Wasn't it lovely? It was the sound of wind chimes. Now, the sound which I am going to play, you all know this sound and you love the music of this sound. Let us listen. What is this sound? So, the sound sounds similar. It is the sound of Christmas jingle bells. Let us move on. All of us love the rain. Ma'am loves it so much. So let us now hear the sound of the rainfall. Wasn't that lovely? Let's go to another page. So many sounds you hear today. Yes, so this last sound, ma'am wants to do it for you, and all of you will do it with ma'am. This is the sound of clapping, and everyone clap loudly. I hope, my dear children, you liked all the sounds, and most of the sounds you were already aware of. Now you will observe and listen to the sounds around you, and you will play a game with your mama and papa about the sounds you can hear in your house. Okay, so ma'am is going now, and we will meet next in our next class where ma'am will teach you something new. Bye, my babies.